Hello, several of you this term have asked me what a hanging indent is, and I'm happy to show you. It's probably the easiest way. Here you see a blank Word document. There are lots of things I could show you, but I'm just going to stick to the hanging indent. So let me pull a citation out of a textbook. That'll be easiest. So here's what happens when you copy and paste your citation from your textbook. As you can see, there are several things missing from this. For one thing, this particular book has two other authors, so we need to add those authors. We need to add the year, and we need to add the hanging indent. The hanging indent is all it means is that after the first line, each subsequent line is indented. So to do that, we just highlight what we're talking about, what we want to apply the hanging indent to. We click on this little arrow that says paragraph. We see special. Right now there's nothing special, but we want to make a hanging indentation by 1/2 inch. And just for giggles, I like to make this single. And then OK. And as you can see, now we have a hanging indent. That's really all it is. I know that if you blink, you may have missed this, so I can do it again really quickly. So again, grab a quote, or grab a citation rather. I don't really want you to quote, so just pretend I didn't say that word. Correct all the missing information. And we highlight the area or the citation. You'll have to do this for each one, or you can highlight them in bulk and do them all at the same time. So you go from, under indentation, you go from none to hanging, and you can or cannot mess with the line spacing. It doesn't really matter. Click OK, and then you have your hanging indent. I hope this helps. Please continue to ask me any questions you have about APA formatting or anything else. I'm always happy to help.